Good morning, everyone. The Nigerian police force is now getting the taste of what they did to us during the Embat governance protest, where they arrested some people, they tortured some people, they even go ahead to eliminate some people out of this world. Now, look at what happened yesterday. I've one time without number that when you continue to oppress peaceful protesters as your own culture, as a police officer or as soldiers or DSS, the people who are going to protest henceforth will arm themselves because they know that maybe you people will come and kill them as usual. Now, what happened yesterday was the Shiites, they were protesting. And while they were coming to the protest, according to police, they came with gun, they came with machetes, they came with arrow, they came with bow, they came with knife and cutlasses. That is where we find ourselves in Nigeria because these people, for themselves, they believe, time without number, that if they are protesting peacefully, the Nigerian police will come, shoot knife bullets, throw tear gas, and so on and so forth. Now, this video is not to support violence, but I am seeing Nigerian police CP of Abuja crying that Shiites have declared war on Nigerian police. Hey, police, this is not the declaration of war. It is the seed you people sowed.
This was supposed to be a symbolic procession. Abuja marks the end of 40 days of mourning for the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. It's an annual event, but this year it turned deadly. Police say members of the Islamic movement in Nigeria attacked them for no reason.
What really happened is that today we are surprised that members of the Shiite movement, or whatever the IMN, whatever they call themselves, decided to come out en masse to attack the policemen. You people saw them, you saw their dead bodies, and killed brutally. Two of them are already dead. 4, including a woman police, is unconscious, all of them, with different injuries they inflicted on them. Some with different, some gun, some cutlass, some to kill policemen on uniform. So I just decided to say, for the fact they are not provoked, they did it willingly because they have agreed to attack security agencies and for no just cause. So I want to tell them and assure them that for the fact they have started this war and provoked, we are going to hunt them. We cannot leave it to go like that. We are going to hunt them, no matter where they are. I assure them very well that we are going to hunt them. Because the families of the policemen they have killed, look at them crying, for no just cause. If we have killed any of them, it would have been a different thing. Or if we have attacked them, it would have been a different thing. They would have said, Igwe did this and Igwe did that. But today, they have willingly, with impunity, attacked policemen and killed them without provocation.
But the group says it's the opposite, that they were peacefully marching when officers fired tear gas unexpectedly. The violence flared in the Wuse district when tear gas failed to disperse the crowd. Officers used live ammunition. The Islamic movement of Nigeria says a number of its members were killed, but it hasn't confirmed how many. The group also says several were arrested or critically wounded. The police say 2 of their officers were killed, but did not explain how. It's understood a passerby, believed to be a trader at the market, was also killed. It's not the first time a march by the Islamic movement in Nigeria has ended in violence. But for now, order seems to have been restored, with the group saying no more processions are planned. Omo Bazwai, Arise News.
Now, you see the situation like this, many Nigerians are going to like it. You know why they are going to like it? Because, police are now getting the taste of what they are doing to people. You cannot continue to kill peaceful protesters, do all sort of things against them. Just imagine what is going on in this country and nobody cares to even talk about it. people they arrested because they are protesting peacefully. So what were you expecting, policeman? You were expecting that, oh, people will still come out and protest peacefully so that you will kill them. Have you answered to people you kill? I think what Shiites have in mind is that they have the right to live. They have the right to defend themselves because it is the duty of police to defend these people. Now, the commissioner of police have another narrative. He said, these people are the ones who attack the police, so it's not the police that attack them. How true is it? In Nigeria, I have participated in so many protests. Now, it is uncalled for protesters to attack police. I have never seen that happen. When protesters will just be going, they will see police and they begin to attack the police. No. The attack will start if police throw tear gas. Why would you throw tear gas to people who are protesting? How? I don't just understand. How? And why? Why should you throw tear gas to people who are protesting? I said it time without number. You don't know the kind of sickness the person is suffering for. If this person is suffering from, asthma, you throw tear gas, meaning you want to take the person's life away. So the person will not wait for you to do that. They might go after you. That is the situation.
If the law keeps breaking the people might need to break the law so that they can break free. Apartheid was legal in South Africa, but it was breaking South Africans until they broke it. Slavery was legal. In fact, not only was it legal, slavery is also ecclesiastical. It's in the Bible that you should respect your master. But when slavery was breaking people had to break the law of slavery. So if the Nigerian law keeps breaking the Nigerian people may need to break the part of the law that keeps them broken all the time. And that is why I keep advocating mobilization that do not come only during elections. In other serious countries, if elections are rigged, the person who rigged the election cannot walk away. You get my point. Yeah. And I had the issue with the Labour Party and where Aisha was with. They mobilized, they also were demobilizing when they should keep mobilizing. I don't see any reason why they sat back after it was known that I said, I know there was no election. But whatever they believed took place. And they ought not to have stopped there. They ought to have been complete mobilization and the shutdown of the system. The system was ready for that shutdown. But then they said, hey, don't fight. They're not going to get power on a platter of gold. Don't let anybody deceive you that somehow, because those who are in power.
The president said that himself, that power will never be served.
Those who are in power will keep giving you homework assignments and homework to do. Go and mobilize. We're talking about political parties. Very soon, they will come and register political parties so that they can register political parties that will do their bidding. Or the political parties they cannot register, they will go in there and scatter the party.